Good afternoon, Internet. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my amazing educative health videos. It is the dream of every young woman or lady to conceive or get pregnant, but it is so disappointing when these dreams get shattered due to medical conditions. In my previous videos, I discussed about one medical condition called pseudocyesis, where a woman believes she is pregnant whilst she is not. And in today's video, I will be discussing with you another medical condition that affects the fertility of women. So keep watching this video to the end. This is Good Health, Good Life, a channel where I am promoting healthy living by sharing with you the health benefits of the African herbs and also sharing with you healthy living tips. If it interests you to be part of this amazing family, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Like the video and also share on all your social media handles. Comment wherever you're watching this video from under the comment section. This medical condition is ovarian cyst. Ovarian cyst. I'm going to break it down for you, so keep watching the video. The ovaries are female reproductive organs. The two of them are located either on both sides of the uterus, and their functions are they help in the production of eggs, which is the ova, and also help in the production of hormones such as estrogen and progesterone. They also play a crucial role in the menstrual period and fertility of women. So that is about the ovaries. Now, when it comes to cyst is a sac-like pocket of tissue which is filled with fluids or air and other substances. So combining the two to form ovarian cyst, it literally means fluid found within the ovaries or on the ovaries. So anytime we are talking about ovarian cyst, or anytime you hear of ovarian cyst, it literally means there is fluid within your ovaries or on your ovaries. Now, what are some of the causes of these ovarian cysts? Keep watching the video as I'm going to reveal the causes. Now, before I quickly talk about the causes of ovarian cyst, let us look at the types of ovarian cyst. There are so many types of ovarian cyst. The first one is the functional cyst. The functional cyst is very common in a lot of women, and it occurs naturally, and it shows no signs or symptoms, and it also goes away on its own. And we are having another type which is called the follicular cyst. There is also another one which we call the corpus luteum cyst, and there are other types of cyst. Now to the causes. Ovulation is the leading cause of ovarian cyst. Then severe pelvic infections or pelvic inflammatory diseases are also a cause of ovarian cyst. Endometriosis is also a cause of ovarian cyst. Hormonal issues or hormonal imbalance is also a cause of ovarian cyst. Then also there are some medical conditions that are associated with ovarian cyst. So those are some few causes of ovarian cyst. So very quickly, let us move to the signs and symptoms of ovarian cyst. Just keep watching the video. The signs and symptoms of ovarian cyst are as follows. 1. Your menstrual periods are late, they are irregular and very painful. 2. You experience severe abdominal pain. 3. Bloating. 4. You experience severe pain during sexual intercourse. 5. You have problem emptying your bladder or urinating. You can also experience a fever, and generally you are sick or ill. So those are some of the signs and symptoms of ovarian cyst. The signs and symptoms of ovarian cyst varies from person to person, and also ovarian cyst affects a woman's fertility. So anytime you start experiencing any of these signs and symptoms, kindly visit the hospital for you to be diagnosed. Now, when you go to the hospital after experiencing the signs and symptoms, a pelvic exam will be conducted on your body, or an ultrasound will be conducted on your body to know whether you are suffering from ovarian cyst or not. The next question is, can ovarian cyst be treated? Yes, it can. That is why the moment you start experiencing the signs and symptoms of ovarian cyst, kindly visit the hospital for them to diagnose and ascertain that it is ovarian cyst. Then from there, medications will be prescribed to you, which when you take them, it will get rid of the ovarian cyst. So it is treated. So that is it about ovarian cyst. If you really want to know more about this medical condition, then I advise that you visit a medical facility where experts will be able to give you more information about this medical condition, which is ovarian cyst. Thank you so much for watching this amazing video. I hope you have learned something new. Share the video on your social media handles, like the video as well, and comment wherever you're watching me from. Until I see you in the next episode, make sure you always eat organic fruits and vegetables, exercise on a daily basis, and visit the hospital on a regular basis to know your health status, because I strongly believe early detection means early prevention. Peace.